Hello viewer, today we are I want to derive equation on motion. So we are doing derivation of equation Newton's equation of motion. So I'm going to be starting with okay, let's say Newton's equations of motion, of linear motion. Okay, of linear motion. So these are the things we want to do today. Linear motion. um we have four laws of motion. As we all know that um, the acceleration. Okay, let's start with velocity. Velocity is equals to displacement over time, that means s over t. So from here we can say that s equals to vt. So, and at the same time we also know that acceleration is equals to change in velocity over time. So if you know that acceleration equals to change in velocity over time, from here we can say that acceleration is equals to v minus u over t, where v is the final velocity, then u is called initial velocity, and then from here, if you cross multiply, we are going to be having at equals to v minus u, and then if you take your minus u to the other side, you have v equals to, negative u, when it goes to the other side, it becomes positive. So it will be v equals to u plus at. That is equation 1. That's equation 1. Now, from this equation 1, let's go to equation 2. Equation 2, since we know that v equals to u plus at from equation 1, so we can go to equation 2 by saying that since we know that v equals to u plus at, then we can also, it is worthy of note that average velocity or total distance covered is equals to average velocity over average velocity then multiplied by time. That is distance covered. So if you know that distance covered equals to average velocity, that's initial plus final divided by 2. Then from here, and we know that v equals to u plus 18. So let's substitute sub v equals to u plus 80. Okay, let's say this one is equation 2. In equation 2, so we are going to be having s equals to, instead of writing v, I will not write v again, I will replace it with u plus 80. So it's going to be u plus 80 plus u again all over 2, then close the bracket, and t is outside the bracket. Remember that we replace our v with u plus 80 since our v equals to u plus 80. So instead of writing v, we replace it with what? U plus 80. So from here, if you open your brackets, we can see that okay, s equals to, even before you open bracket, u plus u, that's 2u plus at all over 2 outside t. dt is t outside. Then from here now, you can now open your bracket so that you can have s equals to t times 2u, that will give us 2ut, plus at times t, that will give us at square. Then remember we have over 2, everything is over 2, so we have s equals to, here you can split them because these two belong to both 2ut and at square, so you can split them to be having 2ut over 2 plus at square over 2. So let's go to the next slide. So we have like this, so we can divide our answer. So from that I have s equals to 2ut over 2 plus at square over 2. So from here 2 can cancel 2 can go, so I have s equals to ut plus, this can be written as half at square. This is equation 2. That is equation 2. So now going to the equation 3, the last equation of motion. So from the first equation, from v equals to u plus at, we can derive equation 3 from that. So by doing from here, you can square both sides. So squaring both sides, squaring both sides of the equation. So what do we have? Let's go to the next slide. So squaring both sides, I'm going to be having v square equals to bracket u plus 8c square. So when you open your bracket, you have v square equals to open bracket, this bracket, just say u plus 8c against u plus 8c. So by multiplying u times u, that will give you u square. U times 8c, that should give you u8c. U times 8c again, that should give you again u8c. Then 8c times 8c, that should give you at, then square. Remember, v square equals to this. So here you can have u square plus 2u8c plus u8c plus u8c, that will give us 2u8c, then plus bracket 8c all square. Okay, so from here, remember v square equals to this. So from here you can let's factorize 2u8c and 8c square. So by factorizing this, 2 is not common, so you can bring 2 outside. What other thing? Okay, let's bring a outside. Then I'm left with u. I'm left with ut. I'm left with ut plus this one. There's no 2 here, so I'm going to be having half. Since 2 is not there, if I divide it by 2, half will be written. So half, then this one will be, a is gone, t remains, so at square. So from here now, this thing looks like an equation, look like the equation 2. So let's go to the next slide and finish it. We know that from equation of motion, we know from equation 2, we know that s equals to ut plus half at square. So, and then we have v square equals to u square plus 2a bracket ut plus half at square. So if you replace your s, replace ut plus half at square with s, then you're going to be having v square equals to u square plus 2as. So this is the third equation. This is equation 3 of linear motion. So these are the 3 equations of motion. I hope you get this. You can also go back again and also re-listen to the question and see the way we've solved it. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comment section. Thank you.